What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shahbaz here. Today we have latest leaks and updates about Samsung's mid-range smartphone, Samsung Galaxy M21. Samsung is working on an updated version of the smartphone Galaxy M20. In the middle of this month, an update to the Galaxy M series smartphone family, then the Galaxy M11 and Galaxy M31 devices were mentioned. Now it has become known that these devices will be supplemented by the Galaxy M21, which will be the successor to one of the best-selling smartphones in the Galaxy M series. According to the network sources, the Samsung M21 is being developed under the codename SM-M215F. If the Galaxy M21 is available in versions with 32 and 64 GB of internal memory, then the Galaxy M21 model will come with a drive with a capacity of 64 or 128 GB. It is expected that the mobile operating system Android 10 will be used as the software platform, while the hardware base is likely to be Exynos 9610 or Exynos 9611. Unfortunately, more detailed information regarding the characteristics of the Galaxy M21 is not yet available. As for the color options for new devices, it is known that each of the 20 Galaxy M series smartphones will be available in black and blue. There will be exclusive options: purple for the Galaxy M11, green for the Galaxy M21, and red for the Galaxy M31. It is possible that after the launch of the updated models of the series, other options for the color design of the novelty case will appear on the market. It's hard to say when Samsung plans to introduce updated versions of the Galaxy M series devices. The Galaxy M10 and the Galaxy M20 were launched at the end of January 2019. However, this does not mean that next year the manufacturer will adhere to a similar schedule for the launch of the new devices. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Bye bye.